When the world was placing its bets on electric vehicles, the head of Cummins, one of the biggest names in the automotive industry, delivered news that caught everyone off guard. The company introduced an idea that could potentially phase out diesel engines entirely and replace them with something far quieter: hydrogen-powered engines, based on a fuel that exists abundantly across the universe. For decades, diesel has been the backbone of heavy-duty machines like trucks, tractors, and construction equipment. But now comes a major shift. The same company that dominated the diesel space is now investing in hydrogen engines that could disrupt its own legacy. This isn't just another small innovation, it's a transformation that could shake the entire diesel industry. Their hydrogen engine has the potential to rewrite the narrative and even challenge electric vehicle companies. This isn't a minor upgrade. It's a true game changer that could push diesel into the background. Stay with us until the end of this video, where we'll break down this new Cummins technology in simple terms and explore how it could impact the daily lives of truck drivers. And before we move ahead, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future technology updates. Before diving into this groundbreaking engine, it's important to understand the company behind it. Cummins built its reputation by producing engines that power trucks, tractors, and heavy machinery across the globe. The company was founded in 1919, over a century ago, in Columbus, Indiana, USA. A mechanic named Cummins started it all. He wasn't highly educated, he had only studied up to the 8th grade, but he had a strong vision to create better and more powerful engines. He was joined by banker William Glanton Irwin, who provided the financial backing. In its early years, the company was small and faced many challenges. There were moments when it seemed like it might not survive. But Cummins persisted. He expanded on the ideas of Rudolf Diesel and refined them further. Gradually, Cummins engines became known for reliability. Whether it was trucks, buses, generators, or heavy equipment, the Cummins name began appearing everywhere. Today, Cummins has evolved into a global power solutions giant. By 2024, its revenue had reached around $34 billion. The company operates in nearly 190 countries, with over 600 distributors and more than 7,200 dealers. In simple terms, wherever heavy machinery is operating, there's a good chance a Cummins engine is involved. In the truck industry especially, the company has a strong hold, particularly in heavy-duty segments. From tractors and construction machines to mining equipment and power generators, Cummins has built a powerful presence. In countries like India as well, it has a major footprint, with countless vehicles and machines running on its engines. This is not a small player. It's the same company that has defined diesel reliability for over 100 years. Recently, the CEO of Cummins made an announcement that stirred the entire industry. She revealed that after decades of diesel dominance, the company is now taking its next big leap into hydrogen engines. Yes, hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe. Cummins is currently developing 6, 7-liter, and 1.5-liter hydrogen internal combustion engines, also known as H2, ICE. This development is significant because it comes from a company that has led the diesel world for decades. In other words, the very company that built its legacy on diesel is now signaling that hydrogen could be the future. This is not just a concept or experiment. The 7-liter hydrogen engine has already been completed, and the 1.5-liter heavy-duty version is expected to enter production by 2027. Cummins' strategy is clear: replace diesel engines in heavy vehicles like trucks, tractors, and construction equipment with hydrogen-powered alternatives. These engines will function much like diesel engines, but will use hydrogen as fuel. The result is near-zero carbon emissions from the tailpipe, significantly reduced NOx levels, and much lower noise output. The company's CEO has also emphasized that no single technology will dominate the future. Battery electric systems, hydrogen fuel cells, and hydrogen engines are all expected to develop side by side. However, for heavy-duty and long-distance applications, hydrogen engines could prove to be a more practical and powerful solution. This move is being seen as a turning point because Cummins is effectively reshaping its own diesel empire. The engines it has built for decades are now being reimagined in hydrogen form. The fundamental design remains similar, but the fuel has changed. So, how does a hydrogen engine actually work? Is it something complex, or can it be understood easily? Let's break it down in simple terms. First, consider where hydrogen comes from. While it is abundant in the universe, it doesn't exist freely on Earth in usable form. It must be produced. The cleanest method involves generating electricity from renewable sources like solar or wind, then using that energy to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. This process is clean and does not produce pollution. Although most hydrogen today is produced using other methods, the focus is gradually shifting toward greener production. Inside a vehicle, hydrogen is stored in strong cylinders under high pressure. When it comes to the engine itself, the working principle is quite similar to a traditional internal combustion engine. The key difference is the fuel. Instead of diesel, hydrogen is used. Hydrogen mixes with air, and a spark ignites the mixture, producing power. In simple terms, the function remains the same, the fuel changes. Cummins 6.7-liter hydrogen engine delivers solid performance, while the larger one, 5-liter version, is designed to handle heavy-duty applications like trucks and industrial machinery. This means that large vehicles can operate smoothly without sacrificing power. The biggest advantage is the drastic reduction in emissions. Instead of releasing thick black smoke, the engine mainly emits water vapor, helping keep the air cleaner. Noise levels are also reduced, making operations quieter and more comfortable, especially for long-distance driving. From a maintenance perspective, the engine structure is similar to diesel, so existing mechanics can adapt to it without major difficulty. Refueling is also relatively quick, taking about 10 to 15 minutes and offering a driving range of up to 500 kilometers. However, there are still challenges. Hydrogen is very light, so it requires large and durable storage tanks. Refueling infrastructure is currently limited, which could create early adoption issues. Costs may also be higher initially, although they are expected to decrease over time. One major advantage is compatibility. These engines can potentially be fitted into existing vehicles, reducing the need for complete replacements. In essence, a hydrogen engine can be seen as a cleaner evolution of the diesel engine, delivering similar power and reliability, but with far lower environmental impact. Cummins believes that for heavy-duty use, hydrogen engines may offer more benefits than battery electric systems, particularly due to their range, quick refueling, and consistent performance under load. Looking ahead, this technology could make life easier for truck drivers, farmers, and workers in industrial sectors by lowering costs, reducing noise, and improving air quality. Now, let's look at why Cummins' hydrogen engine is receiving so much attention. The answer lies in the growing problems associated with diesel engines. While diesel has been reliable for decades, it is increasingly becoming a challenge. The biggest issue is pollution. Diesel engines release significant amounts of black smoke and harmful emissions. In cities, when trucks and tractors operate, the impact on air quality is clearly visible, making breathing more difficult and raising serious environmental concern.